Hi everybody, it is Wednesday and this is math lesson 11.3. We're going to start with some multiplication and then we're going to do some review for your math quiz next week. So if you want to grab a notebook, pencil, and I have my hundreds chart that we'll use in a little bit, you can go ahead. So go ahead and pause the video while you grab your things if you want. Okay, but otherwise we're going to start. So we're going to do a little multiplication, which I know some of you know your multiplication facts, so you don't have to draw the array when we get to that point if you don't want to. But if you want to always double check, you know you can so that you know you got the answer right. But I'm going to show everybody how to do it. So you have 4 flower boxes, 5 plants in each box. How many plants? Okay, so it says 4 flower boxes. So how many boxes do I have? 4. 5 plants in each box. How many plants per box? 5. And then I'm going to draw an array in case I don't know what 4 times 5 is. But remember, if you already know your math facts, you don't have to do this. But what I'm doing is I need 4 rows with 5 in each row. So I'm going to draw my array up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 1 row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 2 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 3 rows, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 4 rows with 5 in each row. So then I can either count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just be careful with your counting until I get my total, or I can count by 5s because I know I have 5 in each row and I know I can count by 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So I have 20 plants in all, and then my number model. Oh, I'm going to put my total number of plants up here. And then my number model from multiplication would be 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, let's do another one. Here we have, this time, 2 flower boxes, 6 plants in each box. How many plants? Okay, so this time I have how many boxes? 2. How many plants in each box? Awesome, 6. Now I'm going to draw my array. So this time for my array, I need 2 rows, 6 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 1 row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 2 rows. I'm going to total it up. So I know I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Gives me my total plants in all. Plants goes up here, and my number model would be 2 times 6 equals 12. Okay, biggest thing with your array is remember that you need to keep your columns and your rows nice and neat. That'll help you with that. Okay, let's do a quick review for our quiz that we're going to have next week. So I've got my hundreds chart. Make sure that's in your view. And here are my problems. So continue the pattern. So I have 278, 276, 274. All right, let's see. So now I see my 200s are the same. So what I'm looking at is my 78, 76, 74. And I'm counting backwards by 2, it looks like. So then my next number, so 74, go back 1, 2. So my next number would be 272. Now some of you might not need the hundreds chart for this, and that's okay. And some of you do, and that's okay too. So then my next one would be 1, 2, so 270, 1, 2, 268. Okay, let's look at this one. It's 3,429, 2,429. So my 429 staying the same, but my thousands is counting back. So my next one, so if I have 3,000 here, 2,000 here, I'm going to have 1,429. And then I'll have, that would be a 0, right? So I would have 429. And we don't have to do that one. We're back as far as we go in 2nd grade. Awesome. Okay. All right. Next one is where you have to fill in the blank. Okay. So remember, think of this as your teeter-totter. So if you have 68 on this side and you're subtracting, how far do you have to go back to get to 14? So if you're at 68 and you have to go back to 14, Okay, so count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So 68 minus 54 equals 14. Also, again, now think of your teeter-totter. You have 70 on this side, and you have 32 over here. So you're going to need a number that you're going to add to the 32 to get to 70. So start at your 32, and you're going to go to 70. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. All right, let's try one more. 50 equals what plus 24? Okay, so teeter-totter, I have 50 on this side. What am I going to add to 24 to get up to 50? So I start at my 24, and I'm going to go up to 50. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now remember, also, some of you don't have to use the hundreds chart for this. That's okay. And some of you do. And that's okay. All right. Have a great math day.